Sino dito ang in love na in love? Hi, Unstoppables! Sino dito ang in love na in love? Yung kahit may mali na, bulag-bulagan pa rin? Unstoppables, paganahin ang observance. Sabi nila, love is blind. Pero dapat ang love may vision. Yung red flag, ginagawa mong carnival banner kasi enjoy na enjoy ka sa ride. Huwag ganon. Ito ang time para kilatisin siya. Paano siya magalit, paano mag-handle ng pera, paano makitungo sa waiter. Higit sa lahat, mahal niya ba si Lord? Kasi kung hindi niya kayang i-honor si Lord, paano kanya i-honor? Don't ignore the warning signs just because you are lonely. Better to wait long than to marry a wrong person. Proverbs chapter 4 verse 23 says, above all else, guard your heart, for everything you do flows from it. Guard it. Huwag ibigay sa taong hindi naman marunong mag-alaga. Love with your eyes open. Practice sharp observance. Again, this is Miss Judy Ann reminding you to stay faithful, stay hopeful, and stay unstoppable. To God be the glory. Bye.